As a father, my wish for my daughter to find happiness, laughter, and everlasting love. And in Sam, I am confident that Kat has just found that.
Welcome to beautiful, sunny West Dorset. On this Sam and Kat's very special day, welcome you all to Marshwood Manor.
Kat, we've finally made it. I will do everything to make sure today is the most special day you've ever had. Relax, enjoy it. We will have the next 60 years to talk about it. I can't wait to see you later. I love you so much. I already know you will be the best wife anyone could ask for. Don't worry about anything. Everyone is here for us. And whatever happens, we will be married, and that's the most important thing. I love you so much, Sam.
Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. Like it? Like a
Bloody stunning.
We've got this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go do this.
Okay.
Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and of two people who have chosen today to make their wedding vows.
It's an honour to be standing here today marrying my best friend. I'm very lucky to have found a person who makes me feel so comfortable and fills my life with so much joy. For 9 years you've been beside me and given me everything I could ask for, and from this moment on, with you by my side, I promise to always live by the vows I make today. I promise to cherish every moment we have together, giving you the respect, happiness and love you deserve. I promise to protect and support you whenever you need me, and to provide a shoulder to nap on when it's Sunday afternoon. I can't wait to be married to you and share many more amazing memories together throughout our married life. I love you.
Sam, I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. For the rest of our wonderful life together, I promise to continue to give my everlasting devotion, loyalty, respect, and my unconditional love for a lifetime. To believe in you, listen to you, support you wherever you go and whatever you do. I promise to dance in the kitchen with you, to fill your life with laughter so I can see those smile lines deepen into your beautiful eyes, and to provide a shoulder to cry on when your beloved Chelsea Football Club aren't performing well. I promise to be your best friend, your biggest fan, and to always communicate and compromise as we go through our journey together. Sam, when I say you are my one and only true love, it is because you have given me and continue to give me all I could ever need. Through your encouragement, kindness and belief in me, and for that I thank you. You're the best thing that ever happened to me, and I am very proud and excited to call you my husband. I love you.
And it now gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations. And you know what happens next.
We did it!
Kat, we as parents are so very proud of you. More than you will ever know. You're amazing inside and out. You look stunning, and you've made me so very proud for me to be called your dad. She has found a perfect match in Sam. From the moment they met, it was evident that they shared a connection that would withstand the test of time.
Your dress, the venue, the ceremony, even the rain has added character to today. And it's safe to say it's been an emotional day.
Yeah, even the cake's in tears.
The most important person to thank today, though, of course, is my new wife. I don't think anything could have prepared me for that moment when she was walking down the aisle, and she looks incredible today. When I first met Kat, we instantly just clicked and became great friends straight away. Looking back, it's strange that it took us 18 months to finally realise how great we were together, but when you know, you know. And ever since then, being with Kat has been a dream. Normally they say that opposites attract, but with us I feel like we are literally the same person, and I love that. We have so much trust and belief in each other, and together we are the best couple, if I do say so myself. Kat, I love us together and I love all the little things that make you you. I love how you mispronounce the lyrics to every song. I love how you wear your Apple Watch to every single event, luckily not today. I love how you have a plan to make plans. I love how you watch Hours of Murder documentaries followed by a nap on Sundays. I love how you ask me 1,000 questions just when I'm about to go to sleep. I just love everything about you. There's honestly no words to describe how much I love you.